making an adorable poofy Christmas deco mesh wreath. What you will need, I have a 16-inch wreath ring with the stems already attached. I will link videos in the description box down below showing you how you can attach your own stem if you prefer to do so. 21-inch mesh and also 6-inch mesh, scissors, and a rotary cutter. All right, let's get started. So the first thing I'm going to do is raise all of my stems just because I feel like this makes the process a little bit faster. All right, and then I'm going to take my mesh, fold it to a nice little point, and then I'm going to start on the outer stem. Place my mesh, twist it a couple of times, and I'm going to pull to make a nice poof and place it in the next stem. The size of the poof, that is completely up to you. It just depends on how large or small you want your wreath to be. All right. So I'll pull to make another poof. So I make another poof and then I place it in the next stem. And I'm just going to repeat this step all the way around the outer ring and then start over and do the same thing on the inner ring. You can layer, you can double layer the mesh if you choose to do so. I do that sometimes, but usually with either the 10-inch mesh or the 6-inch mesh. Not too often with the 21-inch mesh because it's pretty thick. All right, I'm going to make all of my poofs and then I'll show you what it's looking like. All right, so coming back to my starting point, just going to make another poof. And then place it in my starting stem. And then cut away the excess mesh. Unravel. Place my mesh. And then twist it back. Just like that. Cut away the mesh and tuck it away. Just like that. So I'm going to repeat the same steps on my inner ring. Alright, so I'm just fluffing out my poofs. It's so cute and poofy. And I have cut my 6-inch mesh into 8-inch long pieces. So what I'm going to do is roll my mesh at a cute little diagonal, crisscrossing them one on top of the other. Just like that. Scrunch in the center. Find my stem. Place my mesh and twist it a couple of times. And then tuck away my stem because I'm not going to add anything else. If I were going to add ribbon or anything else, I would leave my stems untucked until I am completely done. Okay? And I'm going to do this in each of my sections. You can go with more mesh, less mesh, no mesh, whatever you prefer. You can add in any additional embellishments you'd like. Just have fun with it and make it your own. So this is what it's looking like. So cute and precious. I'm going to get some more bundles in place. So this is what it's looking like with bundles, with 3 pieces of mesh on each of my inner stems. You could definitely finish off like this. It's so cute and precious, but I'm going to put a few pieces of mesh on my outer ring as well, just to make it even poofier. So for the outer ring, I'm just going to go with 2 pieces of mesh. so I have all of my bundles in place. It's so cute and poofy. So precious and adorable. You could definitely add more if you choose to do so. You can add in ribbon or bows, ornaments, whatever you prefer. Just have fun with it and make it your own. But it's so cute, simple, and easy to make. Modify the color, the style, add in any additional embellishments you'd like. You can even add an adorable sign to the center. Possibilities are endless.